The thing about YouTube is that some people say their tags and hashtags are important, while the other people say they are not important. But for me, I think that tags and hashtags are kind of important because they would help your videos to be discovered. They will help YouTube to understand the type of content that you are creating, and it will enhance your video recommendation. So I don't think that tags and hashtags are something that you should discard if you're uploading a video here on YouTube. There are differences between tags and hashtags, and I'll be telling you that and then telling you how to add them to your videos for your videos to be discovered. If this is a video that you'd like to watch, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And welcome to the family. Let's move on to talk about what hashtags and tags are and how we can put it in our videos for our videos to be recommended and discovered by many. Like I said earlier, tags and hashtags are kind of similar because they help your videos to be discovered. But the thing with tags is that they help YouTube to understand your video. Tags are majorly telling YouTube what your video is all about and telling them that these are the categories of people that you should be sending my videos out to. For example, if I shoot this video, my tag will be something like YouTube, tags, viral, or something like that, because I'm trying to make YouTube algorithm understand what my video is all about. So anything I'm talking about in this my video, that is what I am telling YouTube. Those keywords, those are your tags. They would help YouTube to understand your videos, and they would help to enhance your video recommendation, because when YouTube understands, they can be able to push it out to the right audience. For hashtags, hashtags also help for your videos to be discovered, but they are used in a broader sense because it is not just about YouTube now. Whatever hashtag you're using is also a hashtag when you go to TikTok or when you go to Instagram, okay? It's just like a community. So your hashtags, they connect across the social media platform. So when someone goes onto maybe Google or anywhere and use the hashtag, your video might pop up because it is just used across the social media platform. It is not just limited to YouTube. That is why hashtags and tags are important. So I'm going to be telling you how to use hashtags and how to fix your tags for you to get to your right audience. When you get to Google, you type YouTube dashboard and this will pop up. When you click on it, it will take you to your channel. Now I'm in my channel, so this is where I would, try to show you what I usually do. Let me get to one video. You would see that I used tags here, which is not really compulsory to use it in your description, but I just used it. And this is what we mean by hashtags. Your hashtags should not be too much so that YouTube would know exactly what they are doing. Okay, so if you can get tags of 15 tags or hashtags of 15, so that YouTube will understand. These tags is not really compulsory. I just added it. I don't know whether it's even helping my videos to go forward. Do you get? Because what I just do for my description is just to copy my title and go to Meta AI that is on WhatsApp. Meta AI on WhatsApp. I will go there and type my title and tell it to, create a little description for a video bearing this title, and boom, it will give me something like this. So it's just Meta AI that did this stuff. I did not even rack my brain that much to come up with my description. So when it does it for me, it's going to add tags for me. All right, so I'll just carry the tags and just bring it here, and I'm not even removing it. I'll just bring it here, right? And these hashtags, I did it myself. I just picked like the hashtags I knew that would go well, all right, and I just imputed it like this. So another thing is to, if you want to add your tags, I don't really have much time to do all those things, and my video do well, and I thank God for that. But this is the proper way to add your tags. Just come down here and you see add tag. Do you get? So you can come down here and add your tags, right? And it will help your videos. So this is where you can add your tags and hashtag, right? But The thing that you should not miss out on doing is to go to your settings. This is settings down here. Now go to channel, right? These keywords, make sure you have inputted the keywords. This one is always steady. Like this, when you come to this channel here, these keywords, they are always steady. So this is where I came in and I fill it in. If I don't have time to always go to each video's tags to fill it in, I just come here and fill the general one. These are the keywords that no matter what, YouTube should just send my videos to this set of people. And you see what I did? I used YouTube, YouTube growth, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, content creation, views, YouTube recommendation, CapCut, InShot, subscribers, comments, monetization, likes, demonetization, YouTube pay. And now look at what you should do. You see that the ones following up now are people's name. Glory C is a YouTuber. She talks about YouTube content. Vibe with Sonia is also a YouTuber that talks about YouTube content. Favor Matthew is in the same niche. Dash is also, she's not really into YouTube content, but she's viral. Queen Karen is someone that is into editing, right? So you have to add some names of people that are known so that when people that want to watch videos are searching for that name on a particular topic or so, yours will come up because that name is also a keyword for you. Okay, so this is the trick here. After adding the keywords, make sure you use the viral names already that is in your niche as a keyword as well, so that, like I said before, as they are searching for that name, yours will pop up, your video will pop up because it looks like you named your video Favor Matthew or Vibe with Sonia. So when somebody is looking for Vibe with Sonia, a video of yours will pop up, right? Because you gave it as a keyword that whenever somebody is searching for Vibe with Sonia, your video should pop up, right? So these are the things. If you know your niche and the people that are doing well in your niche, try to add them here. Okay, try to add them. And this is a very, very important place to come to. I learned it from a YouTuber and I just applied it, and I think it's working for me because so far so good. My videos are doing well, right? So do it to your own videos as well so that you get the best out of everything you're doing. So this one is compulsory for me. I just left it here, and the other one I always do them sometimes, but my hashtags are compulsory. I just put my tags here. When I have the time, I will just come on to these tags and do that. But I rarely do it though. Let me not lie. I rarely go down here to do these tags that is down here. But it is, if you can do it, it is also nice. All right. If you don't want to come here and come to this dashboard to do all those things, you can actually do it in your YouTube app. So I'm going to be showing you where you can get it in your app, but this particular one, this one that you get in settings and you write the keywords, is not in your app. So you have to fill it in here. Like, it should be steady on here. It's not something that you fill in daily. Just make it steady on here, and the rest of them you can do it with your YouTube app, right? Let us go to our YouTube app and I'll show you how you can do it too. Okay, this is my YouTube app right here, and there is a video I made, right? And I said don't use this plus button to upload your videos. Some people are actually misinterpreting that video, right? And if you're someone that have already seen that video and you're watching this one, what I'm trying to say is that if you use this plus sign here, you will not be able to gain access to all the features that you would gain access to if you're uploading with the site. Like that YouTube dashboard I showed you just now, you will not really get all the features that you should have gotten, right? So that is what I'm saying. I'm not saying that if you upload here that it's not good. You can upload here, but make sure you go back to that site to finish up, right? Finish up the features, finish up with adding your end screens and cards, because you cannot see that in this YouTube app, right? So let's move on. Let me show you something now. Let me say I want to show you what I did for this video right here. Okay, I'm going to click on edit, right, and right. Okay, this is like this because I'm doing that thumbnail testing. You can add 3 thumbnails, and this is a feature that you cannot see if you're using this app. You cannot be able to add 3 thumbnails for test run if you're using the app to upload. That is why in that video I was just trying to tell you that Even if you upload with the YouTube app, make sure you go to the site to use all the features there. It will be helpful. So you see it, you have to add like a hashtag close to the title, just one hashtag that is already in your description, add it to the title, right? So this is how it is. So you can come to this your YouTube app and do this one. This one is already here, right? This is already here. So it's easier to do it with your YouTube app. But for that settings, you cannot see it here. You have to go to the YouTube app. This is where you add your tags. That one I told you that I don't usually fill in. So that is just it. Okay, this is how you can do it, and this is how you can get the best out of YouTube. Okay, so having known how to use your tags and hashtags, I advise you to make sure that you implement them whenever you're uploading a video. Yeah, some people would say it is not important, but I would say even though you think it is not important, do it, add it, okay, and it might help you, or it will help you. Do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment for you to get interesting tips on how to grow your YouTube channel and how to grow in other social media platforms. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.